And I'm fighting for you, and I love doing it with everything that I have. And I will never, ever stop. And you know that. I will say, I could have a much easier life. Some people say, why is he doing it? You know why I'm doing it? Because we're doing the thing. And look, what we're doing is we're bringing back our country again. We're respected again. We're respected again. We are so respected, you don't even know how respected. You know, I went to NATO where we were being ripped off because the other countries, you have 29 countries, and the other countries weren't paying their bills. They were delinquent, you know, in real estate. I noticed people are using that word. I've been using it for the last year. It's like a real estate term. That's when they don't pay their rent, right? Well, they weren't paying. And you have to see this chart until I got there. You got to pay. And they said, well, does that mean you won't protect us? I said, you don't want the answer to that question. Over the last, and the Secretary General, Stoltenberg, over the last period of just 2 years, I raised, not from us, nothing from us, $130 billion, but that's nothing. And over a short period of time, they will be paying $530 billion more, all of those countries. My biggest fan in the world is Secretary General Stoltenberg of NATO. He says, I never thought this could, I'm telling you, if you look, it's like 15 years just down. President Obama would go down and make a speech. I'd like to thank everybody for being here. Thanks a lot, great job. Sayonara, bye. Bush, they all did. Nobody ever asked for money. We were spending for 100% of NATO. We're protecting Europe. They rip us off on trade, right? They rip us off like crazy. We lose hundreds of billions of dollars on trade. We're changing that. But it's a long time. You know, it's been going on a long time. They don't take your product. They don't take your cars. They don't take your farm product. They don't take your medical machines. We do a big business. They sell us. We don't sell them because they put restrictions. We have better equipment than them, but they make it so that our equipment doesn't qualify. You know, it's called artificial barriers or non-monetary barriers. It's brutal what they do. I'm telling you, they're as bad as China, just smaller. They are as bad as China, just smaller. And now China's doing great. We're very happy. But we have to do something with that. We have to take care of our people. We can't be ripped off by these countries. So NATO is ripping us off militarily, but now they're starting to pay big money, and that's good. We want to help them. We want to be there with them, but they have to pay. They have to pay. $530 billion, and the fake news doesn't want to even talk about it. They don't want to talk about it. They talk about other things. They don't want to talk about that. When you get a chance, though, you know, it's a couple of weeks, maybe you could say, over a short period of time, NATO countries will be paying $530 billion more. More! Not total, more. How's that, good? That's not too bad. Nobody else could do that, I guarantee you. I won't tell you what took place in those closed-door meetings. Some of them don't like me. You know, they like Obama. Germany likes Obama. A lot of these countries, France, they like Obama. It's embarrassing. In France, President Obama is more popular than President Trump. Well, I should be. I just tax their wine and champagne coming into our country because they're ripping us off on the internet. Okay? If I ever become more popular, that means I'm not doing my job. You should say he's out there. It's true. I could be loved in Germany. I could be loved in Germany. Oh, they'd love me. My father came from Germany, parents. And I could be loved in Germany. They'd like me so much, but then I'm not doing my job for you. Right? Have to do it. Have to do it. With your help, your devotion, your drive, we're going to keep on working. We're going to keep on fighting. We are going to keep on winning, winning, winning.